Everything looks perfect. But wait, what's missing? This is exactly what's missing. I can't do without you. Wow, this smells incredible. Now I feel complete. Every woman deserves a fragrance this beautiful. Smelling good is my business. And every woman deserves to smell amazing. Should I take this to work? Or leave it at home? Why take it with me when it lasts up to 24 hours? Excuse me, you smell amazing. Thank you. This is my secret.
How to create AI ad advertisement for your business, whatever product you're trying to sell, how to create ad for it. Create an amazing advertisement for it, just like what you watch. I made all that for free. All the tools I use, and in this particular video, I will be showing you how to create your own AI advertisement video for whatever product you're marketing for free. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this particular video I will be showing you how I created that video you watch for free, and all the tools I use completely free. So remember to subscribe guys, like the video, and drop a comment on the comment section, and join to be a member. So let's head over. Let me show you how I achieved that particular video you watched earlier using only AI free tools. First thing I did is generate my image. All right. Now this is ChatGPT. Everything I did is on ChatGPT. Okay. Looking at it, what I did was I asked ChatGPT for an influencer image first. Then the next thing I did is I described the person I want to generate, the kind of influencer I need, where the person will be, okay, and the pose, the photography type, and ChatGPT gave it to me. Now, this is what ChatGPT gave to me. I'll copy it and head over to Google Flow, okay. Now, because I want a consistent character all through my um ad video, it's up to a minute. I went to Google Flow. Now when you get to Google Flow, please follow this step diligently, don't miss any. Immediately you get to Google Flow, go to characters. You see characters here. All right, if you want consistency, follow this step. You paste that prompt, okay. Immediately you paste it, okay. You can either leave it at nano banana 2, okay, and click on generate. All right, now it is generating. Um while it's generating, I copied this. Now what I will paste now will be on the comment section. Click on create body. It has generated and it's okay for me. Click on create body. Then what I'll paste now, okay, this I'll copy it. It will be on my Telegram group. If you're not saying it, or on the comment section, just request for it, I'll paste it. Now I'll paste this and it will generate. Mind you, the first thing to your AI advert is your influencer. It is very important you get your influencer first. So that is the first thing I'm doing. Now, the way it is now, I have the front, the side, and the back of my influencer. Then you go ahead and name it. Click on the voice, choose the voice you like, listen to it. Now, because we want consistent voice all through, we want a consistent voice all through this advert. Please make sure you choose a voice. When you click on it, you preview it. You click a voice, you preview it. Whichever one that is okay with you, go and add it. I'm okay with this. I'll click on add. These are the things we have done so far. We generated our image, we gave it a name, and we gave it a voice. It is here. All right. Every other thing we'll be doing will be equally be here. Okay. So having done this, the first step is done. The second step is us generating the image. If you have a need already image you want to advertise, better. But I do not have, and what I want to advertise is a perf. So I describe the perf. I give the perf a name. I gave the perf a name, and I gave it the quality luxury, everything. Now I copied it, I'll paste it. Now this one doesn't need much. Okay, just generate it. It doesn't need much. Okay, it just generate any, paste it and generate. The only place that needs that step we took earlier, going to the character, generate, creating the body, is your influencer. Okay, now this image generating is our perf. I've already given it a name. It is HP Luxury Perf. Okay, this is nice. Choose any, but I go for this one that is closer. Okay, this one is better. Now we have gotten our two image that we will be using. Having got into these two image, okay, the next thing we will be doing is our video prompt. Okay, now if you add the image, check, you see the name, we have the image in three places, the side front, click on plus, add the HP, the character itself, add the perfume. You see these two images. Now you head back to ChatGPT. Coming back to ChatGPT, I will be dropping the prompt I use in getting my video prompt. This video comes in six scenes. Okay. Now this is the first one, my video prompt. I gave it a title, something is missing. Okay. Now, because by that drama you watch, you can see it had a little bit of drama. That ad you watch, it had a little bit of drama. So I've copied the first scene, pasted here. Okay. Then I'll click video. Now you can use Omni Flash, but let's go with you can use Omni Flash or any of them. Omni Flash, you get up to 10 minutes, you click on, you send it. You can use View 3, but I'm using Omni Flash to get a better result and quality. Okay, now it is generating. We'll go over, copy the second video prompt. This is the second video prompt. Remember I told you that my video, the video that gave me what you watch, is about 6 video prompts. And there is a prompt I use for it, which if it will either be on my Telegram group or you will see it on the pin comment. If you're not seeing it, request for it. The same process, input the image, paste the prompt and send. Make sure it is on Omni Flash, 10 seconds, you send it. Okay, go through it. If there is anything you need to adjust on the dialogue, it has generated my first video. I've sent the second video. 6 video prompt gave me the advert video you watched earlier. All right. Now this is the third video prompt. I will copy it. Okay. Copy, head back to Google Flow. While this is generating, click on the plus, input this character HP. Very important. Input the luxury, HP luxury. Paste your prompt and send. I like to allow it to generate first before sending it. Okay. Now, the only place that I will say you need help is the video prompt that I gave ChatGPT to give me the 6 video prompts, which I said earlier will be on my Telegram group or on the pinned comment section. Okay. So I have pasted it. When you see Q, do not worry, it is generating. All right. Now, this video gives you 3 videos when you're using Omni Flash, and I've generated it. So you go ahead, download this. You see this video, this image, download it. Okay, because we cannot use the same email to generate video again. We have generated enough for today. All right. We'll move. All right. We'll close this. If you're using laptop, go to another Chrome profile. Okay. Log in using another Chrome profile if you're using laptop or Palm top. But if you're using your phone, log out and log in using another email. Okay. Now the same process we went for the first one is what we'll do again. Why are we going through this process? For consistent character and for consistent dialogue. When you click on plus, we are on Google Flow already. You click on plus, head over to character. Okay, you can just easily just upload it and use it. Okay, but we do not want to. I want to go through the process to give it a voice here. Now get to character, you upload that image, this image, upload it. The image you have already generated. I uploaded it. Now, why I uploaded this particular image again is that I do not want where I will just paste only prompt and what will be given to me will be different. No. So with this, we need to describe our character. So what I'll do again is head back to ChatGPT. That prompt I used to generate this, okay, that image prompt I used to generate this initially, I will look for it and copy it. Okay. Now, how did I get this particular character? Head over to ChatGPT. Describe your character. I described my character as 6.5 feet tall, black, American, head, Brazilian hair, tall, wearing a baggy jean, and they gave me in her luxury department, in her luxury bedroom. And that is why you can see I got this. Okay. So having pasted it started generating the image on this new email. I'm going through the process again and then I'll copy this. This will equally be on my Telegram group. If you have not joined, do join my Telegram. Create body. Now, this create body is for you to have your body in three different sizes, in different, the front view of your body, your influencer, the side view of your influencer, and the back view of your influencer. That is what this particular create body does. Okay, so pasting that prompt, once you've done that, we'll go ahead with the same voice we chose. The same voice I chose the other time is what I'll click on, okay, and add it. Remember in my other email, I added a voice. The same voice is what I've added, and we have all done that. I'll click on done. Okay, so what I need to do is click on plus, click on HP character, click on plus again, click on download. Our perf has already been downloaded. Perf, remember, it doesn't, you can interchange once the name still remains the same, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we upload the perf image. Okay, upload it. Our two main images there. Okay, we'll head back to ChatGPT, copy the fourth video. Remember, the first email gave me 3 videos. The first email gave me 3 videos, and I need extra 3 videos. Now, I'll head back to ChatGPT. This is the 6th scene. No, we'll be going for the 4th video. This one. Okay, I will copy it. Now, the prompt I gave ChatGPT that gave me this video, remember, will be on my Telegram group or on the pin. If you're not seeing it, request for it on the comment section. I will reply with it. Um, Remember Omni Flash, 10 seconds. That advertisement video is a 1 minute video, and you look up to the second, what next, because it is so good. Now, fourth video is generating. We had copy the 5th video prompt. Okay, we'll come plus, click on plus, HP character. All right, the plus again, the luxury perf. These two, in all the video you generate, these 2 images, yeah, must be there. Then you paste your video prompt, make sure it's Omni Flash, and make sure it is 10 seconds, okay? 1 video to be generated, or you click on send. Okay, you click on send. It keeps generating. It keeps generating. All right. Guys, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, okay? Now, this is the 3rd video. The 3rd video prompt. Sorry, the 6th video prompt, not the 3rd. The 6th video prompt. Now, the 6th video prompt need me to edit and add a brand name. All right. So I will paste it first, input my HP character, add it to the prompt, click another plus, add my perf, okay, add to the prompt. Then I will paste my prompt. This time around, I will be doing some editing. You see where you say perf brand name. That is when you add the brand name. And the brand name I chose is HP Luxury Perf. Okay, I just decided to choose that. It can be anything, if it is your hair, your cream. So make sure it is on video or mini flash you paste. Now, this particular email has exhausted my capability. This particular email has exhausted. If I want to generate another video, which I do not need because it ended here, I will go to the next email, to the next Chrome profile with new email, or if I'm using my phone, I'll log out and log in using another email. All right. So it is generating. Okay. All my video is done generating. So I'll just go ahead and download. This is the first one. I've downloaded all of them. Okay. Go ahead and input them on ChatGPT. Input them on ChatGPT and you line them up accordingly. Line them up accordingly because when describing this particular advertisement video to ChatGPT, I know what I wanted. I wanted it acted. So I described it scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5 to scene 6. So that is why you see 6 video prompts, okay? So you lining up the way it should be. You can see I'm adding them one after the other. This should be the last video. Now, if you want to add transition, you can add transition. If you want to add effect, you can add effect. But I don't know, see the need. But if there will be any, just little effect in between the videos. Okay. So this is how I generated what you watch. If you have any question, please, I want to see it on the comment section. And if you try doing it and you're not getting it right, just get to me. All right. Drop a comment, a question on the comment section. I will respond. You can now generate your own advertisement. If it is hair, you replace my perf with your hair. If it is cream, replace the perf with the cream. Whatever, even if it's what you eat, replace it with it. Even if it's a machine you're using to comb your hair, all you need to do is replace it. Now, how do I get the prompt? Like I said, the prompt may be on the pinned section because it's actually big. If not, please join my Telegram group. It will be on my Telegram group. And remember to subscribe, guys, and give this video a thumbs up. See you guys on my next video.